Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday.
Today I had a special request from Joan to make button earrings. I'm using 20 gauge artistic wire and some vintage buttons. My tools are the Slimline series chain nose pliers and round nose pliers from Beadalon, their Glimmer series nipper tool, their nylon jaw pliers, and their bail making pliers. I'm starting with about 6 inches of the 20 gauge wire. I'm going to string it through the button, leaving about 2 inches above the button, and then I'm going to bend the wire up and around the shank. Bring it right around, catching the shank within the wire, curve it around, bring the wire up through the hole. Feed it through, grab the end with your chain nose pliers and tug it and wiggle it so there's no slack. That will secure it, but it could still be wiggly, so we're going to go around again. Take the wire, bring it around, and then we're going to bring it between the button and the wire. This is going to give it a little more stability. Bring it all the way around and back up behind the wire. Give it a good little tug and twist it around that vertical wire. You can go around a few times, making sure you're giving it a good little tug so there's no slack. Clip the end flush. Give it a little pinch so there's no little pokey end. With our round nose pliers, we're going to give it a little bend on an angle. Get your bail making pliers and do a loop above the button, bringing the wire to the front, holding that loop with the chain nose pliers and bringing the wire around a couple of times. Bring it right to the back. Make sure there's no slack. Push it right against the button and clip it flush. Make sure you pinch in that little pokey end. Adjust it as you need. So this is how it looks on the back and the front. You can make your own earring hooks with 2 pieces of 1 3/4 inch 20 or 21 gauge half hard wire. Using the bail making pliers, we made a closed loop and then we're going to loop it around. Give it a little bit of a jog at the end. Clip the ends so they're even. Separate them and go ahead with your wire rounder to soften the end. Now all we have to do is attach the button, close up that loop, and here are your beautiful antique button earrings.
Thanks so much for watching the video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making tutorials. Join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook to share pictures of your wire art and wire jewelry. Hop over to the Wire Lady TV channel every Wednesday at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Time, where I troubleshoot new ideas for wire art and jewelry, and I welcome your ideas and special requests. There's also templates, tutorials, and ebooks. You can use the coupon code SAVE25 to save 25% when you purchase any 5 templates, tutorials, or ebooks in my Etsy DIY shop. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.